Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from video in CapCut. So there are two ways that you can do to remove watermark. The first one is you can just enlarge or zoom in the video. So as you guys can see here, the watermark is at the bottom of the video, so you can just easily remove it or cover it by enlarging the video like this. So you can just zoom it in, and after that the watermark will be gone, and for the whole video the watermark will not be seen. So that's the first way. Or the second way is you can just use the CapCut video effect and also masking. So let's copy or duplicate the clip like this and make one of the video as the overlay. So there are two videos like this, and let's go back and click on effects, video effects. Now just find the blur video effects, tap on the effect to apply it to the clip. Let's go back, click on the check icon, let's adjust it for the entire clip, and then click on object, then choose overlay. So this is the the blur. So after that you can just click on the overlay video and find mask, then choose the shape that you want. So I'm going to go with rectangle and then adjust the size to match with the watermark like this. And to make it more natural, you can add some feather like so. Click on check icon, and that's it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.